Let's create an EC2 server in AWS. First, let's navigate to EC2. And then we will launch Instance. We will add a name for our instance. So let's go with my web server. Select an operating system for your instance. Then select a type. Now we'll stick with the T3 Micro here. What you can do as well is you can hit to get advice here. And add some more details and AWS will give you a recommendation. Then select your keeper. We'll go with our one for now, as it's just a tutorial. Then next we will set up the security group. As it's just a tutorial, we will select an existing. Then next we will configure the storage. Now we'll just go with the defaults here, but what you can do is you can add new volumes and that will just create new drives for your instance. And then hit launch instance. Then if you go back to instances, you will see that your instance has successfully launched. And that is it, we have now created an EC2 instance.